Hi loves, welcome and welcome back. So in today's video guys, we'll be talking about um juice for you to drink to help you with your milk production. This is actually if you're a breastfeeding mom, if you're a new mom, and yeah, this video is for you. It's not only for the breastfeeding moms or the new moms. If you're the type that has rough skin as well, this video is for you. Yes. And if you're a breastfeeding mom or any mom looking for a natural way to boost your energy level or to increase your milk production, try this drink. Yes, this is so easy to make. This juice tastes so good. It tastes so good. You don't actually need to add any sweetener to it. For us to make this, as you can see, I'm peeling my pineapple already. We will be making use of pineapple, making use of some carrots, oranges, and we have some lemon as well. You can use lime if you have, but preferable lemon is better because lime is more acidic to lemon. So we'll be making use of these few things which you can easily get from your market or from the supermarket. So it's so easy for you to lay your hands upon on all these things here. So you can as well make use of your blender to do this. I'm making use of juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can make use of blender to do this. So carrot in the other hand is one of the things that you must have when making this juice because carrot is so good for you. It helps to support milk, a quality milk production, not just milk production, quality one, because it is so healthy and it has vitamin A. It's very good for you and it's very good for your baby. This drink is not the type that when you take it, you'll be asking if it's good for you as a breastfeeding mom, and if it's good for your baby. It is good for you, it is good for your baby. Orange is packed with vitamin C and it helps to boost your immune system. It helps to support iron absorption as well. So it is very good for you and your baby. So the pineapple there is very healthy for you as well as a new mom. As you've gone through the period of 9 months being pregnant, your body is so fragile. Your body has a lot of inflammation. Pineapple is very good for you because it has an anti-inflammatory property that will help you feel so refreshed and helps you regain your strength as a new mom. So another thing there is the ginger. Ginger is a natural lactation booster. It helps to boost your milk production. Ginger is one thing that you can afford to miss as a new mom or as a breastfeeding mom. If you're breastfeeding, you can take ginger tea. Just incorporate ginger in your meals, it will help you. If you are even looking for a way to increase your milk production, ginger is for you. Ginger carrot is definitely for you. And yeah, so this juice is so easy to make. Like I said before, it doesn't take so much time and it tastes so good. It tastes so good. It tastes really good. I'll just leave you here. If you have watched this very moment, I appreciate your stay here. Please do well to subscribe to the channel to be part of the community. And yeah, if you want me to do more videos like this and on how to increase your milk production or regarding anything regarding babies or as a new mom, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be so happy to make a video like that for you. And yeah, I will be so happy to make a video like that. And I will see you all in my next video. Please do well
What
to
about you
like the
too
video and
long?
share to
Hurts
moms
to
that you
watch your
think that will
blue
need.
eyes fade to gray.